Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the amazing world of wireless casting with the j5create ScreenCast 4K wireless adapter. Whether you're looking to mirror your screen for presentations or stream your favorite content in stunning 4K, this device has you covered. Stick around as we explore its features and how it can make your life easier. Looking to cast your favorite content from your phone, tablet, or laptop to a bigger screen wirelessly? Meet the j5create ScreenCast 4K wireless adapter JV8W76. This sleek device lets you stream your media seamlessly in 4000 resolution. Whether it's work presentations, movie nights, or gaming sessions, this adapter is here to simplify your screen mirroring experience. In today's review, let's dive into its key features and see if it's the right fit for your needs. The ScreenCast 4K adapter supports multiple casting standards, including Miracast, AirPlay, and Chromecast, making it compatible with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android devices. Whether you want to mirror or extend your screen, this device makes it easy. With a wireless transmission range of up to 50 feet in an open environment, it's designed for both home and office use. However, remember to keep the device in the same room for optimal signal strength. One standout feature of this adapter is its customizable background and pin code protection, which ensures both a personalized and secure experience. The pin code function, exclusive to Miracast, adds a layer of security, preventing unauthorized connections. Also, its compact design and external antenna help enhance signal coverage, ensuring smooth performance without clutter. Setting up the j5create ScreenCast 4K is as simple as plug-and-play for Miracast. For AirPlay and Chromecast, Wi-Fi configuration is required, but easy-to-follow instructions in the manual make it hassle-free. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, this adapter is a powerful, convenient tool for wirelessly sharing content. Overall, it's a versatile and reliable solution for anyone looking to enjoy 4K content on a larger screen. That wraps up our review of the j5create ScreenCast 4K wireless adapter. If you're ready to take your screen mirroring experience to the next level, this device might just be what you're looking for. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've tried it out yourself. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.